Mm. What's up guys, it's your boy Classified Coffee and welcome back to another YouTube video. Now today I'm going to be doing a sour Skittle eating challenge. So if you enjoy any part of the video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. And ensure that you all check out the links in the description. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. This will be my first time. Can I open it like this? Let me see. This will literally be my first time opening. You know what's weird? As I was saying, I'm gonna finish what I was saying. This will be my first time eating this sour Skittle. But you know what's weird? I open it and it literally smells sweet. Always supposed to be sour. So what I'm gonna try to do, bro, yes, I open it kinda right all over the place. But still, what I'm gonna try to do is eat as much as I can. Hopefully I don't get sick. So let's start. Whoa! What the heck? Okay. I don't know if it's because I brushed my teeth just now, like recently, I got like 15-20 minutes ago. But this is way more sour than I thought. What the heck? Bruh, I feel on my taste buds now. All of them get up and was like, yo, what the heck you just eat? Now we have a red one. Blood clot. Oh, what the heck? This video is gonna be that long because it's just me testing Skittles. But that's really sour. It's like coated with some sour whatever. But when it's inside, it's more sweet. I don't get a custom takeout. That's crazy. The heck? Was that one green? I feel like green one tastes kind of good. Bruh, what the? It's like every single one you eat. You get the same spike of sourness. That's crazy. Yo, how my hand look big so? Damn, yeah, boy said I get big. And I'd stop working and I lose weight. Because my sister was like, yo, Anthony, I finally get smaller. And this is how I look. This is how I look. And they say I get smaller. Which I do believe because I used to take our protein powder more than neck. I used to take protein powder and stuff, working out at least 4 times a week, and I was bigger than this. But well, before like growing up, secondary school and college, I was skinny. Like they're like scrawny. But now I get way bigger. I started to do 100 push-ups a day. I realize that when you're eating on. Whoa. I've only been eating on one side. There's no big reason to that, but I just choose to eat on that side. As I was saying, I started to do only 100 push-ups every single day, and I gained a lot of weight. But I was eating too. I was eating more. 100 push-ups a day, I gained muscle and more weight. I tried to let it dissolve in my mouth. Oh my god. That was all. I think this is the last color here. I ate every color individually. I haven't been keeping track of which color I eaten, but still. The purple not that sour. Or is it just that one? Not that purple one. The one more. Not that sour. It tastes like what? Blueberry or strawberry or something. Not strawberry, but some type of fruit, vegetable. Not a vegetable, but fruit. But what I was saying is 100 push-ups a day, start eating way more. And I started to gain weight and muscle. Then I stopped for a while, I got sick. First was a fever that made me lose my appetite for at least 4 or 5 days. A whole week I wasn't eating. And after that now, when I finally got better, English. Hi. Oh God. Why is it the red? The red one's, yo, okay. I have this water on the side. No, I will leave it this stuff. At that frame. Because I will do the dome just now. Meaning we will try a lot at once. Got good amount. But what I was saying is well, gain a lot of weight, this and that. But I got a fever. Big cold fever. I lost my appetite for 4 or 5 days. I lost a lot of weight. And after that finished, few days coming up after that, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get into working out. So I was starting to eat more and more and more. When I eating more, one of the mornings, around 4 o'clock, yeah, at the moment my sleep routine ran off. Around 4 o'clock, I got up. No, I didn't get up. I was up, but I went upstairs, got some Weetabix. Y'all know how you spell it. And instead of using sugar, because the sugar was low, I used glucose. That's the name of it. Glucose is like sugar, but it's not really meant to be pouring into stuff like that. Holy goodness. That's all. So yeah, I don't know why I did that, I don't know, but I like. As I was saying, so the glucose now, y'all probably came to see me eat bar speaking, don't worry. We'll continue. Our hair, the purple is really not that bad enough. With the glucose now, I put a Weetabix in a cup, microwave, heat it up, put some glucose, mix it, taste it, it wasn't sweet. So I was like, maybe I'll put more. So I mix it, go downstairs, drink it, this and that, everything cool. But when I get up in the morning around 9 o'clock to a bad stomachache. Like terrible. Whole time I get up, I rolling, But the thing is, it was not diarrhea or nothing. I didn't want to go to the toilet, nothing. No diarrhea up to this day. No fever, no nothing. I was just bad belly ache. So whole time going through the day, I was talking to one of my bros. And while we talking about I can't remember, I was driving or something. I was just like, I feel my whole body started to get hot. And then I just, I run by a sink. So we all have a sink around us. Relax. Don't say, oh, you're in the kitchen and vomit in the kitchen. No, I didn't. I run in that bathroom sink. And I was just like, and you just come up. And I was like, bruh, we just talking about vomiting. Next time I vomit. And I vomit in the dog. And as we finish our conversation, and I go on bed, just back up again. So the whole time I vomit, there's that, a whole set of stuff, you have cameras all around the house. My father was like, God said I see the camera, but I dead as a week. I don't eat nothing in days, and I just vomit whole day. Anything I try taking down, coming right back up one time. So yeah, I'm gonna continue. So what happened with that now is, yeah, this turns out a whole story time. Man. I believe what happened is I had a glucose overdose or something so like I consumed a set of glucose and it spiked my blood sugar like too quick. Like my body absorbed too much of it or something. So I don't know, I'm not a doctor. I never went to a doctor. With all that pain, I was there as suffering, but still. I went upstairs, this and that, and I was vomiting over and over. Struggling to walk this and that because I was weak. Like nothing was hurting except my stomach. Not even a headache, but I was just real weak because I had nothing and I couldn't consume nothing. And keep in mind, I was home for myself as well. So when continue vomiting through the day, there's that. My mother finally came home. No, I think it was my mother and father that was home that day. Both of them. They come, they was like, oh, you're doing better than that. She was like telling me, if you had diarrhea, you could have just tell me I'm gonna buy blah blah blah, whatever. I think I had the thing in it. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. I'm gonna show you all what happened. She was saying something about if I have belly ache, I should have told her to buy this, which stops it or would help reduce the belly ache. But what happened is I didn't tell her that, so next day and stuff there she buy it after he finished. She came home and she said, oh, your belly hurting, you've been vomiting the whole day. So is it that you have diarrhea? I was like, no. She said, oh, I think it's diarrhea I have. I told her, no. But what she do is she still give me some flour with stuff in a cup, flour, water, or whatever, to drink that because that will take the diarrhea or the belly ache, whatever. I don't know these people remedies. Did I touch? Okay, now I hope I didn't touch most of what thing like that. So what happened is, I don't know why I slouching like that. Deadass. Is this slouching or down? I don't think that's slouching. Deadass the on like this. But yeah. What I was saying is what's up? She came and give me that flour water. All she give me, I vomited back up one time. I say, you know what, I fell apart this. I went in the kitchen and make more of whatever she made. And I drink it and it didn't come back up. So I say, you know what? Make it 10 minutes. I get to 10 minutes, I fall asleep, this, that. And when I woke up, I say, oh, you have food there. Let me go and try to eat a little piece of food. As I start eating, I was just like, and I just blah, blah. It was a lot. When I tell you, I vomited, like on that day, I vomited at least 10 times. I was just throwing up stuff. And I never like had no memory of me vomiting in my entire life. I doesn't get sick to them extent yet. I've never gotten sick to that extent as yet. So that was the first time me actually throwing up stuff. It felt weird. Come back in the afternoon, I was still throwing up. Even after I taking the flour water, and I tried to eat some food. I vomited up that one time. But on that same day, my father and them came out in the garden. That's when you hear I say I was sleeping, like because they went in the garden and got coconut water. So she came back up, coconut water, and I thought, oh, it's just coconut water she gave me. So I started drinking the thing, and when he going down below, I was like, how tastes kind of bitter? So, mommy, put salt in that? She was like, yeah, put some salt. I was like, salt, why I put salt in it? And one time, as I started tasting sour thing, like it started tasting real sour, it just flour, water, food, everything just back up. And how did it solve? How did all that end? Me finally drinking just coconut water on it by itself. So after I vomit up that was a moment, obviously, I will vomit and then just no. So I take some time, 5 minutes, and then I just take coconut water. Nothing else in it, just coconut water, and I drink it. You stay down. Drink it over and over, you stay down. Even drinking water, I was vomiting that back up too. But coconut water, you stay down. For like, I think the whole night, I was just drinking coconut water bit by bit. And the next day, I could finally start to eat, and it was paining less and less. And it stopped. So yeah, this is going to be the end of the video. Well, I ain't going to close it off yet because you already heard me saying that I will try to dumb this. And I'm like, hey, yo, that's some kind of sus. does some kind of sauce. Try to dump a set of balls stuff in my mouth. Yo, don't hush it. Don't hush. For somebody clip this and ruin my life. Well, I ain't gonna ruin my life, but still. As I was saying, oh, y'all see the lights that get brighter here? Because I have a ring light. Y'all can probably see them glasses. But I have a ring light right there, and the sun gone down from outside, so this one is protruding more. But yeah, this is going to be the end of the video. If you like anything that I said, the story time, whatever, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you all want a Q&A just now. Another story time on my COVID experience. Can I say COVID on YouTube at this moment? My COVID-19. Like I believe before I was saying that I used to recognize it in the video. But yeah, my COVID-19 video. So story time, I mean. Let me know if you all want that. Whereas like, comment, subscribe, check out the links in the description, follow me on Instagram. You don't really have to, but still follow me on Instagram. And yeah, share the video, all that stuff. Y'all ready for the chugging time? Chugging. Chugging is for drinks. Yeah. I'm gonna stop talking. Alright, let's go. Had a bowl of water close. Expensive water, cap. That's tap water, but still. Let's go. Can I hold that? Alright, there you go. 3, 2, there you go. Should I do the whole thing? Nah, the whole thing I might die. Let's go. Come on. Okay. Already? 17 minutes. This shouldn't be touching 20 minutes. There you go. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh wow. I'm crying. I'm dead ass tearing up on him. Bro. Oh god. I still have a little bit more inside it. Alright, so that's fun of it. Oh, what the heck? It's still sour. Oh boy, what the heck? Just for that? I don't know when I'm gonna finish this one. If you enjoy the video, leave a like. What the heck? Holy goodness, I can't talk. Okay, that's it. I'll go on. If you all enjoy the video, well, it's thoughtful. Let's back a talk, you know. If you all enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. You must leave a like after what I just do to myself there. Because I could feel my soul dying. And this teeth over here, I don't know. I don't know broken tooth or teeth or nothing like that. Perfect, love to see it. But yeah, okay, I'm brushing teeth just now. Not just now, I might put just now. But leave a like, comment, subscribe. Yes, I have to say it again. Check out the links in the description. And damn, your boy look kinda good. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Let me know what videos y'all have. Let me know what video ideas y'all would like to see me do in the comment section. I was gonna do a Halloween type of prank, but I couldn't due to different circumstances. There was not really much circumstances. I just wasn't really interested, I guess. I don't know. Teeth. Oh, sure. Oh, God. Okay, yeah, I can't even talk. Like, this way you can, what the heck? As I was saying, hopefully I'm. I feel he died, but he dead. He's still right here. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I probably say that for the 15 billion. I don't even know how much times I say that. Check out my YouTube, but you're on YouTube. Check out my TikTok. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also check out my Instagram.